numbers 11 to 20. In this module, you will know the numbers 11 to 20. Sophie is looking for sticks for her project. She has collected some. She has collected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 sticks. She had tied them with a thread to make a group of 10. Now she is looking for more sticks. She found one more stick. Do you know how many sticks she has now? A 10 and an extra loose stick make 11. So she has 11 sticks. She keeps on looking for more sticks. She found one more stick. Now she has a 10 and 2 extra loose sticks. That make 12. Oh, there is one more stick, said by Sophie. So, now she has a 10 and 3 extra loose sticks. That make 13. After it, when she had found one more stick, that means she has a 10 and 4 extra loose sticks. That make 14. In the same way, she keeps on finding sticks. A 10 and 5 extra loose sticks make 15. A 10 and 6 extra loose sticks make 16. A 10 and 7 extra loose sticks make 17. A 10 and 8 extra loose sticks make 18. A 10 and 9 extra loose sticks make 19. Now, she has a 10 and 10 extra loose sticks. The 10 extra loose sticks can be tied to make a group of 10. So, she has 2 10s now that make 20. So, Sophie has collected 20 sticks in all. She feels these many sticks are enough for her project. So, she collected all of them and left. Let's recap. Here, we have seen Sophie collected some sticks. A 10 and an extra loose stick make 11. A 10 and 2 extra loose sticks make 12. A 10 and 3 extra loose sticks make 13. A 10 and 4 extra loose sticks make 14. A 10 and 5 extra loose sticks make 15. A 10 and 6 extra loose sticks make 16. A 10 and 7 extra loose sticks make 17. A 10 and 8 extra loose sticks make 18. A 10 and 9 extra loose sticks make 19. 2 10s make 20.